Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dalmatians do have a bad reputation because they're known to be aggressive. While it is true that Dalmatians are very energetic and strong, it's not true that they are necessarily aggressive. You just need to take proper care of them, give them enough playtime and allow them to vent all that energy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What do you consider expensive? Dalmatian breeders have to be concerned with a couple genetic issues, namely deafness and a form of gout with uric acid buildup, plus other routine health issues. Good purebred dogs in many breeds easily cost $1,000 to $2,000 US.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The best calm dog breeds. English Bulldogs. It's easy to write these hefty pups off as lazy, but English Bulldogs welcome the frequent exercise they need in order to stay trim. Great Pyrenees. French Bulldogs. Bichon Frises. Greyhounds. Scottish Deerhound. Golden Retriever.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dalmatian. The AKC reports the Dalmatian as a high-energy dog that needs daily exercise. They love going on walks and make great running companions, especially for long distances. According to Dalmatian advice, stubbornness is a common temperament issue for this high-maintenance breed.
Let's help you make your mark.
This combination makes a dog more apt to bite or nip. Perhaps if you have a sweet Dalmatian, you can have a letter from your veterinarian and meet the person who banned them. They were bred to be coach dogs, dogs that ran alongside horse-drawn carriages as guard dogs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.